Hello and welcome back. I've got another quick question for you. In this circuit that we just left off with, what is the voltage drop on that light bulb? So I've got a bit of information here already. If we click on the battery itself, you'll see that it is set at 9 volts. Okay, so we look around, we see that the light bulb is the only thing on this circuit. So it would make sense that the light bulb has a 9 volt drop going through it. Okay, now to check that, we could get out a voltmeter and then we put it as a connection to either side, one side and then the other side, and then you can see that, yeah, it is a 9 volt drop going through the light bulb. Okay, so now my real question here is, if I were to put a second light bulb in that series, what would be the voltage drop on each light bulb? Okay, respond in the question and then move on to the next.